Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 8 of IELTS training video series. Like episode 6, whose link I'm giving above, this episode will review and evaluate the performance of a candidate in a writing task for IELTS. I will first tell you the prompt for which the essay was written. I will also display the prompt in the description so you can constantly have a look at it and know or assess yourself how the candidate performed. So the prompt is: parents, usually mothers, stay at home to look after their family. People believe they should receive a salary from the government for that. Do you agree or disagree? This was the question. So the candidate answered, in this 21st century, firstly, there's no need to write this. You should write the. In the 21st century, everyday expenses ever increasing than ever before. There's too much use of ever here. That's wrong. You should write everyday expenses are increasing than ever before. You can say more than ever before. Than ever before doesn't convey much sense. So everyday expenses are increasing more than ever before, and the world over. Okay, that's fine. Full stop. Money is becoming a key factor to maintain a quality lifestyle. Okay, therefore, comma, in this scenario, both parents, regardless of gender, age, tend to work to maintain their financial stability. Okay, the idea is correct here, but there are mistakes in it. Therefore, in this scenario, there should be a comma after this. In this scenario, there should be a pause after this. Therefore, in this scenario, comma, both parents, regardless of gender, comma, age is wrong. If you were to add a third category after gender and age, then comma would do. But when it's just gender and age, so just write gender and age. Don't write gender, comma, age. Therefore, in this scenario, both parents, regardless of gender and age, are tend to work. Are tend is wrong. You should either write have to work to maintain their financial stability, or you write tend to work to maintain their financial stability. Are is unnecessary and wrong here. In some circumstances, comma, usually mother are more involved. Okay, usually mother is a singular, are is used for a plural form. So you should write usually mothers are. In some circumstances, comma, usually mothers are more involved in child rearing as well as family caring. Full stop. Some people believe that government should pay salary to the parents, those who all are totally working for their family. That's wrong. It should be some people believe that government should pay salary to the parents who are totally working for their family, or you should rather say to the parents who are spending their time on their family. Full stop. I disagree with this statement, and following are the evidence for my disagreement. And following is the evidence for my disagreement. R is wrong. You should write is because it's one evidence. Following is the evidence. Firstly, comma, in some underprivileged nations, comma, government are struggling. Government is a singular form, so you never use are with a singular form. You have to use is. Firstly, in some underprivileged nations, comma, government you have to use an article the before it. The government is struggling. The government is struggling to uplift their economy. Okay. Lack of found to allocate for the non-working family members is difficult and illogical. So many mistakes. Lack of found, lack of found, found is nothing. Found over here makes absolutely no sense. Lack of found to lack of fund. Funds to allocate. Probably he wanted to write fund, but he's writing found. That's wrong. You should say lack of funds to allocate for. No, to allocate to. You allocate things to others, not for others. Lack of funds to allocate to the non-working family members is difficult, and illogical is no word. You have to write illogical. Lack of funds to allocate to the non-working family members is difficult and illogical. To illustrate, comma, child rearing and family caring are the responsibilities. Not are the responsibilities wrong. You have to use are the responsibilities. Child rearing and family caring are the responsibilities of the mother to mold their children with all the resource. Oh my god. The spelling of resource is wrong. Resource is resource. And with all the resources should be used over here, not all the resource. To illustrate, child rearing and family caring are the responsibilities of the mother. Uh, are the responsibilities of the mother to mold? No, that's wrong. You should end the sentence here. Child rearing and family caring are the responsibilities of the mother. Full stop. Uh, you can further continue. The responsibilities include taking care of the children with all the resources. Mold, MOULD, that's wrong. You upbring your children, you tame your children, you discipline your children, you babysit your children, you don't mold your children. You could say to take care of the children with all the resources. Full stop. Mothers are performing an amazing character taught in the family. Amazing character in the family. Okay, the spelling of character is wrong. He's using CHARACTOR. Is the correct spelling. Mothers are performing an amazing character in the family. An amazing character, you'd better say an amazing role in the family. Full stop. They considered as the peddler of the family. Oh, no. You could say they play a pivotal role in the family. If you want to say they considered as the, no, you don't say they considered as the. You have to write they are considered as. Use the are over here. They are considered as the peddler of the family. To Okay, so I think I can make a judgment based on the performance. I think reading this one page was enough to make a judgment. As you can see, I could tell you lots of mistakes in every sentence that I read over here. There were mistakes of spellings. There were mistakes of word choice, the sentence structure, the articles were missing. I would give this performance a 5.5 out of 9. Coincidentally, this candidate scores the same as the one whose performance I had evaluated in the last video. That candidate who had also scored a 5.5. That was the same quality that this writing is. So, fortunately or unfortunately, both candidates get 5.5 from me in this task. If you agree to my evaluation, comment on this video. If you disagree, mention what you disagree with in the comment below. Do share your comments and your responses and your reactions, because I read every single comment. They are important to help me know how you people are getting it. I hope I have clarified a lot of writing mistakes to you people through this short video. Taking care of these mistakes, you will be able to produce high quality writing yourself. So comment in the section below whether you disagree or agree with my evaluation, and if you would like me to assess your writing as well. Do not forget to post your essays on the Facebook group, whose link I am mentioning in the description below. Also, you can join my WhatsApp group. I am again giving its link in the description below. For comprehensive IELTS training, my previous episodes cover the speaking modules, and the episode 6 covers the writing evaluation. So do make sure that you watch all those videos. I wish you all the best with your IELTS training, and until next time, take care.